If you want to install Gumroad on mobile, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to download the app, open it, and get signed in, so you can start using Gumroad on your phone without any confusion. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can follow along easily, even if it's your first time. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This is where you'll find the official Gumroad app if you're using Android. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Gumroad. After that, look through the results and make sure you choose the official app. This is important so you don't accidentally install the wrong one. When you see Gumroad, tap it to open the app page. On the app page, you should see the Install button. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. Now that the app is open, Gumroad will ask you to sign in. If you already have an account, just enter your login details and continue. If you don't have an account yet, look for the option to create a new account and follow the prompts to set one up. Make sure you use the correct email address so you can access your purchases, products, and account settings later. After signing in or creating your account, you're ready to use Gumroad on mobile. From here, you can browse content, manage your account, and use the app on the go. And that's it. You've successfully installed Gumroad on your mobile device. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.